Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a big, huge collaboration with many artists. This is out of the idea we have to draw and paint and sketch some landscapes. Yes, I chose a sunset and I will explain you how do I draw a sunset in anime style. You can add a background in your anime drawings or manga drawings or in any other style. I think I will name this tutorial how to blah 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 in anime style because most of times anime got to sunset scenes behind the characters. So yeah, let's start. First of all, we take a ruler and we draw our horizontal line. You can also do it freehand, but obviously you will get a less precise result. And yeah, after that you start to color your mountains. We trace the hottest areas we want to add to the sky, and I'm using a very light coral color on the left side and a Canarian yellow on the right side. After that, we take an orange colored pencil and we go to create shades that will simulate the clouds and which are blended with the underline marker, creating a more uniform color. With the lilac color, I add some random shades to give more contrast to the sky. As you know, purple and yellow are complementary colors, so they stand out from each other. On this step, I try to be as much delicate as I can. I'm going to color the sea and I'm going to use a very deep purple, which will become our base for the next step. And as you can see, I also drew some yellow areas and some light blue areas. With the lilac marker, I'm going to draw many small lines which will simulate the ripple of the water. Onwards, it will be a game of small colored lines that will create harmony in the drawing, giving a different texture and a cool visual effect. I'm gonna do the same thing with a fuchsia color, and later I will do the same with the sky blue. At this point we will do the same thing we did to the sky on the water, so I will take an orange color and I will blend it here and there up to the water to give a reflection of the sky to the sea, or to the lake, to the water, anyways. And again, with a light lilac color, I'm going to add those little lines up to the dark marker. I will also add some lilac lines in the yellow and orange areas, just to let people who are watching the drawing understand that there is a graduation. So I won't split the two sides, but I will try to merge them together. I'm gonna do the same thing with the yellow. And now, to add more perspective to our drawing, we will draw some plants by using some dark greens, a blue color and a black ink pen for last. I will drop the art supplies I'm using in my description. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe and to hit the bell to support me and my channel. Don't forget also to go check out my friends who drew and painted the other parts of this collaboration. And see you soon with my next drawing. Take care of yourself, guys. Ciao!